today I'm going to show you how to install the HR foot mount on the 2021 Honda CRF450R. First you're going to need an 8mm T-handle. Get this lower side panel bolt out. And you can slide the side panel off. Then you loosen the upper exhaust bolt. Slide that out. Now you just slide the HR foot mount right over top of the exhaust. Put this bolt back in. Like so. Tighten this one up. Make sure that one's lined up there. Put the side panel back on. So, and then install that 8mm bolt back in. There we go. Now it's lined up. There you go, HR foot mount installed on the 2021 Honda CRF450R.